Okay, we're going to do an example of the FVP formula, or future value payments. I like to remember it as finance payments. If you're financing something, a house or a car, or even paying off credit cards, you can use the FVP formula to figure out how much your payments are going to be to pay that off. We use this most commonly for a mortgage. And remember, if you're doing a mortgage, you pay your mortgage every month, so you have to do monthly compounding. So we're going to do a mortgage of $220,000. Our interest rate is 5%, and our number of years is 30. So let's say you bought the house for more, you bought it for $260,000, but you had a down payment. You don't put in the $260,000 because you're only putting in the amount you're financing. You put in the $220,000. So here we have our $220,000. Our interest rate is 5%. I have to do monthly compounding, so I divide that by 12, and I have 0.004167. My number of years is 30 times 12 months in the year. I get 360 months. So I go ahead and put it into my FVP formula. My R, 0.004167. Then I have my parentheses, which is 1 plus R to the n, or 1.004167 raised to the 360. On the bottom of the equation, I have 1.004167 raised to the 360 minus 1. All I've done so far here is just subbed in my values. Now I need to solve for my parentheses. You only have to do it once. It's 4.468278. Now on the bottom, you'll notice this minus 1. So you'll see that I need to take minus 1 from that. A lot of students forget that for some reason, so make sure you don't miss that step. So all I've done here is I've just done that step in my head. So I take my parentheses minus 1, which is 3.468278. Then I multiply my top parentheses by my R, 0.004167. And I get 0.018619 over 3.468278. So let's go ahead and solve for that. I'm just going to come over here and I get 0.005368. I left my present value hanging like I always do. And I need to multiply that in. So my monthly mortgage payment is going to be $1,181.04. So every month that I have that mortgage, that's what I am then going to pay. So this is an example of the FVP formula.